Hello, viewers. Good morning, all of you. Welcome to this session. I am going to talk about The Parrot in the Cage by Mulk Raj Anand. Summary. The Parrot in the Cage is a popular short story by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was a great Indo-Anglian novelist, short story writer, essayist of India. He is one of the three or trio of Indian novelists who started writing novel in English language in India. They are R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao and Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand wrote Untouchable, a very famous novel. When he wrote this novel was not published by the publisher. Later, the publisher understood the value of the novel and he published it. It is a story of Vakha, a poor sweeper who moves from down to earth, or who moves from place to place in search of livelihood, bread. He has to face many troubles and problems in his life due to his low caste. Vakha suffers a lot. Untouchable is a miserable story of Vakha. The second important novel of Mulk Raj Anand is Two Leaves and a Bud. This is a story about a planter. The planter murders a coolie because the coolie tries to attempt to rape his daughter. Later, the court of law acquits the planter. This novel also tells the miseries, the sorrow and sufferings of the people during the British Raj. Once, Mulk Raj Anand wrote Anand describes an early heartbreak in a darkly humorous tone. I found myself falling in love with a young Muslim girl. Her parents married her off to a railway guard as his third wife. And this man murdered her because he found my letters in her bag. You can imagine how much more existentialist I would feel. At, at another place, Mulk Raj Anand said, the substance of my work is the whole of my varied experience. The theme of my work became the whole man and the whole gamut of human relationships rather than only a single part of it. This great Indian, Anglo-Anglian writer was born on December 12, 1905 in Peshawar, Pakistan. He died on 28 September 2004 at Jahangir Hospital, Pune, Maharashtra. Mulk Raj Anand won many awards. He was conferred Sahitya Academy Award for English writers. He was also bestowed with highest Indian Civil Award, Padma Bhushan. Thus, Mulk Raj Anand was a writer of par excellence. He had friends like W.B. Yeats and E.M. Foster, who used to advise Mulk Raj Anand. He went to England and he met these two great personalities who inspired him to write more and more novels. Later, he went to Sabarmati Ashram to have the love and affection of Mahatma Gandhi there. This is all about the author. Now let me tell about the summary of the story, The Parrot in the Cage. In this story, there are only two characters. Rukmani or Rukmaniya is one of the important characters, and the other important character is her pet parrot. Rukmani lives in Lahore. She lives at Kuch Chowk, Swan in Lahore. She has a parrot. She always thinks, cares, and feels for him. She regards the parrot in the cage as her lovely son. But because of the partition of India into India and Pakistan, Rukmani loses her property, her wealth, her house, her livelihood. Now, she has no means to live on. She moves here and there in search of livelihood. She has no grain to feed herself and her lovely pet, the parrot. But she is told that the DC, say deputy collector or deputy commissioner, is about to come to her place of living. She has a great hope that the DC will give her money, and this money will help her in feeding her pet and herself. She has long waited for the arrival of the DC. That day comes when the DC is about to visit the place. Rukmani picks up the cage of the parrot in her hand and she goes to meet the DC for money or for anything, for any assistance, for any help. When she goes there, she faces or she sees a nightmare. There is a surging crowd of people there. There is a stampede there. Rukmini struggles hard to go to the DC and beg for money. But she falls down in the way. She is hurt and nobody comes to rescue her. During that time, Congress Sarkar was ruling over the country. And the Congress Sarkar was unable to provide bread and butter to not only to Rukmani, but many of the poor, many of the downtrodden, many of the helpless people in the country. Then Rukmani has another ray of hope in her life. What is this ray of hope? There is a gram seller. He comes running to her to see her unconscious, fallen. The gram seller lifts up Rukmini, he feeds her, and he also feeds the hungry parrot. Thus, the story describes the ground reality of the country. Mulk Raj Anand depicts the ground reality of the country through his novels and through his short story. This story of Rukmini is not only a story of Rukmani. It is the story of many poor ladies, many poor people. So Rukmani stands for the women of India, the helpless women of India, the helpless ladies of India, who were in search of livelihood after the partition or due to the partition of the country. Then the parrot is also a symbol. Parrot refers to, or the parrot represents the creatures that go hungry despite plenty of food. in the country. Thus, this story is very symbolical. Mulkaraj Anand rightly says, the substance of my work is the whole of my varied experience. The theme of my work became the whole man and the whole gamut of human relationships rather than only a single part of it. I think, viewers, you must have understood the story. Thanks a lot.